Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel Sujoy and Ishitas. Today we are near Phoenix Mall of Asia, one of the largest mall of Bangalore. So today we will explore the mall. Come with us.
In this video, we will give you full tour of the mall, including how to reach, parking charge, brands, food options, and finally entertainment for the kids. So be with us till end of this video and also subscribe to our channel as it will motivate us to make more such content. You can come by own transport or book a cab like Ola Uber. The nearest metro station to Phoenix Mall of Asia in Bengaluru is Goraguntepallia metro station on the Green Line. Goraguntepallia metro station is approximately 9.6 km from the mall. You can take auto or bus from there to reach the mall. And if you avail bus, some of them are 290E, 290J, 290N, 415H stops near the mall. Like most of the people, we too came here for window shopping. तो इधर आपको बहुत सारा लग्जरी ब्रांड्स मिल जाएगा. ड्यूरिंग आवर विजिट एंड ऑफ सीजन सेल वाज गोइंग ऑन, दैट इज अप टू 70% ऑफ ऑन मोस्ट ऑफ द टॉप ब्रांड्स. तो इधर आपको शॉपिंग के लिए आना है तो यू कैन चेक फॉर एनी ऑनगोइंग सेल. साल भर आपको कुछ ना कुछ ऑफर मिल जाएगा. is end of today's vlog. This mall was in our bucket list for long. Finally today we covered it. It was a good experience overall. However, parking charge is too high. We had to pay 240 rupees for 5 hours. So if you like the video, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to comment and like. Bye for today.